How to remove continue watching in Amazon Prime Video. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Amazon Prime Video. Now let me move into one of the article which will guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can do it. The very first step is to open Prime Video website or application and log in using your credential and open your profile. Once it's done, click on the edit option beside the continue watching heading. Now simply click on the cross icon on the title you want to remove from the list. Lastly, you have to select Done located at the same spot where Edit was earlier, and the continue watching will be removed successfully. After removing the title, the list will update on all the platforms simultaneously. Remember, it would not affect the movie suggestion since you have watched it. To ensure you don't get similar recommendation anymore, you have to remove the items from your watch history and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove continue watching on Amazon Prime Video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.